Hey guys, just wanted to show you guys what I've been playing with. So you can see over here, here at the client's location, testing my little trick. Initially, I was able to gain access on my Ubuntu, and just to show you that this is my Ubuntu terminal. And you can see I have the IP address 192.168.61.147. Then I was trying to test if I can add myself to the network. It's actually a very big company, so I was getting blocked and blocked and blocked. Then I remembered my little trick, which I've actually shown you guys before. So look at what I've done. I added myself manually. I gave myself, I guessed an IP address based on my initial scan of all the IP address. I had run Netdiscover here on this Ubuntu system to just see what is available on the network, and I was able to grab a bunch of random IPs that are on the network. So that gave me a hint that okay, the network actually, there are several network, or more like what we call the term segmentation. They've done network segmentation. So it says scanning /16. We found this couple around that, but I'm going to cancel this and I'm going to run that scan again. This time I'll pass a range of 192.168. I can see from my initial IF config here that is .61/24 255.255.244.0. So it means that is a /19 network. You should know what I mean by that now. And I can see it extends all the way to the broadcast, which is the last IP on the network, 63.255. So it extends from 61.0 all the way to 63.255. So I decided to take something within this range. So you can see here, give me a second, let me show you guys. I took 63.200, so it's somewhere within the ending, which means there should still be available IP addresses there from the DHCP pool. Well, this is me forcing myself into the network and I'm sounding a bit quiet, so I don't want to make noise, so they probably know what I'm talking about, but just I'm testing actually, just to show you guys that this trick works. It's a very big company, very big one. They have two major facilities, and they've got close to, like, if not up to 10,000 users or so. So I just got myself on the network by adding myself, and from this point onward, since I'm on the network, I can use a tool called Responder to listen and capture hashes or password hashes that are on the network. I can just run Responder and start listening. So it's going to listen and it's going to start capturing. Let me see if I set that open. If there's SMB, I'm just going to look around. I think the last job I used it for, I killed it. Oh, the server is on. So let me see. I'm just going to listen and see if SSL server on port, check permission on the server running, error starting SSL server. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to listen and see if I can trigger an event. Maybe if I trigger an event, if I can grab hashes or something that are on the network. And since I'm on the network, nothing stops me. I'm still on the network. Let me verify. Okay, there seems to be a bit lag, but I'm still on the network because I'm actually browsing and I can browse. So let me wait a bit and see if I can restart the network manager. Okay, I'm starting the network manager. Then I'm going to verify again. Okay, I still have that IP. Okay, now I'm pinging. Okay, great. So I'm going to try and trigger an event to see if I can grab some hashes on the network on the fly. Okay, me just playing around. So I'm going to pass the file system just a random name and see if I can search on the network. Sorry, I should do this on my browser. I'm going to open up a new browser, then I'm going to go here. Just as you can see here, oh, that's my portfolio. I'm going to use this file / and search something on the network. I'm going to copy this and paste this here, but I'm going to use the backward slash. Okay, I'm just searching for random stuff on the network. See if I can 192.168. I think it was 61.1. Okay, not found. I'm trying to see if I can go to the router. Maybe 63.255. Okay, I'm gonna take out one of the slash. Okay, this is still the file system browsing. It's I need to really trigger an event. Let me go check on my shares to see if there's a share added that I can have access to. I may be sounding a bit low, but I'm trying to stay under the radar. So let me see the network. There's a Windows network here. Okay, now you can see it's beginning to try to poison. It's poisoning to see if I can grab credentials. I'm gonna go look up for that network and see if I can search for something. Give me a second over there. Okay, that should be on my browser. Okay, it's not on my browser, then it should be on the file system. See if it can load. Then also locally I'm going to see if I can load other location here. You see there's a Windows network. Let me see if I can access it as well. Okay, so you cannot stop this operation by clicking cancel. Let me see if it's going to open. If it opens, it's going to poison. If it poisons, okay, sending poison to this. Let me see if it's going to top. File system is ready. Oh, excellent. Okay, so this opened it up, and I see there's a folder here. I can try to maybe make a new folder. This is me just testing the client's network and just playing around. Okay, so I'm sending a poisoning to all Fs. All Fs means all the IP address within that subnet. Let me see if this one opened. This one opened as well. So I can as well try to create a folder in here. I'm gonna skip this and see if I can create a folder. Then I can attempt to share resources. Error while creating ops operation not supported. Let's see. So, but I can read the folder, but I cannot write into the folder. Let me do some SMB enorm scanning on the network and see if I'm able to play around stuff. I'll do some SMB script scan. Since I'm still on the network, just with quick verification, I'm still there. Okay, I'm going to restart my network manager quickly. Then I'm back on the network. Then I'm going to do some SMB stuff. Let me open a new terminal over here. I'm going to close this and minimize this. Okay, this is still standing and running. Wireshark quick verification still running. I'm going to open another terminal. Nmap scripts. So I'm going to use nmap attack machine scan 192.168 maybe dot 61.0/19. Scan the entire network. Then I'm going to pass scripts, and I'm going to write the script. Look for SMB, SNMP, SMB security mode, SMB OS discovery, SMB MBNOM, SMB shares, SMB users, SMB domain. Let me start with the domain. I'm going to run the scripts. You don't want to run all the scripts at the same time, you might end up crashing stuff. So let me see. I should pass a VV flag so I can see verbose. Okay, so it's going to try to do app. It's going to try to start scanning this host, scanning 64 hosts, 1000 ports, 1000. So we'll just wait for this to run. And okay, it's already discovering hosts. So you see it's found .32.1, it found .32. So this network actually extends all the way back to 32. I can see these are the DHCP server, because you can see port 53 open on them. So obviously these are DHCP servers. And okay, doing some stealthy scan. Let me verify 61.0/19. Okay, that looks fine. This might take a while because it's, like I did say, it's a very big company, and yeah, if it gets to a point where I need to disclose certain things, I might shut it down, because I wouldn't want to showcase certain things that are confidential to them. But I'm just trying to show you guys how this cheat really work, me adding myself to the network and without permission. I've tried that in a couple of environments and it just works like like charm. So again, to reiterate the importance of you as a hacker, the first thing you want to check when you get on client's environment is see if you can add yourself to the network. And I just showed you how to do that again and again and again, and I still have my IP address retained. If I notice that it's been blocked, or maybe it's delaying, because most times I probably am hijacking someone's IP, then I will need to restart the network manager. So you've seen me using the command systemctl restart network manager. That command restarts the network manager, and it gives you fresh refreshes your IP again. So I'm going to keep running that whenever I notice a delay, so I can refresh it and get access again into the network. Okay, I'm going to stop this video here for you guys, but I just thought probably I could share what I'm doing. This scan might take a while. Obviously it's going to scan the entire network. I did not record the video for the other one yet. Maybe today. You guys let me know when you're free. I'll be glad to open up towards the afternoon and show you guys some handsome stuff. All right, thanks and bye.